Bandon. Not Brandon, Bandon.
I struggle with it.
So we are in Bandon, Oregon. Doing a little shopping at the downtown, kind of Old West looking area, and see what we can find. Fun. That was a cool little store.
That was.
I got some cranberry beef sausage, summer sausage, and some cheese.
I got cheddar cheese fudge.
What? We'll have to figure that one out. I've heard of it. I've actually seen it on TikTok where they make it out of Velveeta, which is interesting. So now we're taking a little walk along the pier and some wood sculptures.
Wow.
So we'll show you those. That's really cool. Oh, big turtle. I want that one. Oh, and it's a mermaid. It's a mermaid on a turtle. It's a myrtle.
The first settlers established the present town site, and then the timeline wraps around this.
Okay, and then it starts over here in 1914, where fire destroys it. Then the cranberry industry in 1930, a tragic fire burned the whole town down in 36. Town rebuilds. The old town is redeveloped in the 80s. 100th birthday, and oh, the Riverwalk. So this is the Riverwalk. It's very nice.
It is.
Peaceful. Just a sleepy little port and a cute little town. Oh my gosh, this is a really nice area. Very peaceful. Got a little marina. I think I'll name him Leon the sea lion. And I have to take him home. I don't know how I'm gonna get. We're going to buy him a seat on a plane because I have to take that home. Octopus. Wow, that is detailed.
Yeah.
Now we're at Weber's Pier. So much to see. Kids don't float. Give them something that does. That's great. A loaner life jacket. It's a life jacket library. We were just right over there at the Lighthouse. They're what?
Juvenile gulls.
Oh, floating down there in the water. All the kids playing in the water. Bandon. Not Brandon, Bandon.
I struggle with it.
Let's go there.
Our floor is slippery no matter what. Be careful.
Let's see if he falls. What do you think of Bandon?
It is a really cute little seaside kind of a town. Lots of shopping. You can, grab a coffee, grab an ice cream, go t-shirt shopping. It's really cool. You get down on the pier and you can actually see like locals out there dropping crab traps and stuff and catching live crab. It's really cool. I like it. It's got a really cool vibe.
Me too. Now we're grabbing lunch.
Yeah, do this.
I did. Those are amazing.
No, I'm telling the viewers. Yeah, do this.
Oh yeah, what are they? They're the cheese curds with vampire cheese at
vampire cheese from what's the name of the
Broken Anchor. The Broken Anchor.
That's the name of this place. The vampire cheese is coming from a creamery down the street.
Ah.
But yeah, make it to the Broken Anchor here in Bandon. Do this. The cheese curds. I'll eat it off the floor.
Did you drop it?
Into my hand.
That's funny. Do that again. I want to get that on camera this time.
It won't. It will never happen.
Coffee time?
It is coffee time.
Yay! Got my coffee. Had a nice lunch with a beer, peanut butter beer. That was good. And now we're gonna run out and check to see what's out around Bandon. So I mean, we're right here. It's a massive truck. You can't miss it.
Should have honked my horn.
I know. You just scared him.
Coffee went flying. I'm like, okay, they left.
We would never leave you.
Yeah, I know better.
Just in case, and you are here. Run! You're a 13-minute walk from high ground. Bandon Face Rock Creamery.
They do have different sizes.
Very good. That is delicious.
We got Vampire Slayer cheese.
It's got garlic in it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. That's what our cheese curds were from.
Oh, now I get
the place we went over there.
Now
Did you just get the Vampire Slayer?
I just now got it, yeah.
It's garlic. Can't find the truck. Okay, he's so cute.
I'm on vacation. The brain is in a jar somewhere.
Bandon Beach. just put on there parts of shoes, picks, car parts, lighters, knife handles, flip-flops, wrenches, hat bills, handles, ball bats.
If you look
wheels.
at them, they're all different. They're all different names, and they have phone numbers on them.
So those are all like
It looks like something,
like some sort of
military to me.
Military tags or something from a some sort of reflector and a shoe. Wow. And that's right over here is Elephant Rocks. And if you look at that, it looks like a bunch of elephants laying down. And then there's Wizard's Hat. I'm not sure what those are called. But then you've got Cat and Kittens. And then you've got Face Rock. And I don't know what that, I think that's Table Rock. Wow. Look, she's crying. See, she's got tears coming out. Well, I hope you've enjoyed riding along with us today along the Oregon coast here in Bandon. And man, what a beautiful place. Just the coast, the rocks, the birds, the sand, it's just beautiful. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Remember, if you haven't already, go find your truly remarkable life. See you soon.